Hello, we will talk about Lesson 75, Chapter 2. This is new keywords that help you study the Lesson 75. The tools you need, booklet, pencil, and ruler, and your notebook. Please watch this video. It's about weight or mass. Choose the suitable estimation of weight. This panda is 500 kilogram or gram. It's a big panda, so it's 500 kilogram. The kite, 150 or 15 gram, so 15, it's more light. These strawberries, 250 kilogram or gram, it's only a few strawberries. This big elephant, it's 200 kilogram or 900 kilogram. Yes, it's 900 kilogram. This is small rabbit, 250 kilogram or 250 gram. It's only a rabbit, so 250 gram. Watermelon, 300 kilogram or 3 kilograms. 3 kilograms. The pineapple, 2 kilogram or 2 grams. It's much heavier than grams, so it's 2 kilogram. This bicycle, 20 kilogram or 20 gram. 20 kilogram. Please watch this video. It's about unit fraction with respect to a set. Write the fraction. To write this fraction, I colored one star from how many stars? 3. 1, 2, 3. So to write this fraction, I will put 1 from 3. 1 over 3. So it's third. What about this? I colored one face out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I colored 1 from 7. All of them is 7 and I've colored 1. So the fraction is 1 over 7 or 7. Look at these triangles. I colored how many? One triangle out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's 9. 1 out of 9. I colored 1 from 9. 9. 1 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I colored 1 out of 5. So it's fifth. I colored 1 star out of 4 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4. I colored only 1 star. So it's fourth or quarter. Look at here, I colored 1 from how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I colored 1 from 10, that means it's tenth. I colored 1 from 6, so it's sixth. I colored 1 from how many stars? 2, so 1 from 2, it's half. I colored one part from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's 1 over 8, eighths. Color according to the given fraction. First, he wants me to color third of this shape. So I divided these shapes into 3 parts. So then I will color only one part from 3 to color third of this shape. In these shapes, he wants me to color half of them. So I divide the shapes into 2 parts. Then color one part of them. Then I colored half of them. He wants me to color fourth of this shape. So I divide into 4 equal parts. Then color one part to make fourth of them. Colored fourth of these shapes. You want me to color fifth of this shape. So I divided these shapes into 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then color one part, only one part of them. This is the fifth of all these shapes. You want me to color third of all of these shapes, so I divide it into 3 parts, 3 equally parts. Then I colored only one part of them. So this is the third of these shapes. You want me to color half of these shapes, all of them. So I divide it into 2 parts and color half of them. Complete. First, he asked me how many apples in this set. This is the set, group of the same items. How many apples I have? 6 apples. Number of red apples in the set, only 1 red apple. The fraction of red apples in the set, you want me to know how the fraction of the red apple. I have 1 red apple out of 6 apples. So it's 1 over 6. 6. The fraction of the green apple in the set. How many green apple I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 5 green apple out of 6 apples. 5 out of 6. So I called it 5 over 6. He asked me, how many items in this set? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 items. Number of blue items in the set. I want how many blue items? Only 1. The fraction of blue item in the set. I want the fraction of the blue. I have 1 blue sweet out of 8. 1 out of 8. 1 over 8. 8. The fraction of the yellow item in the set. How many yellow items I got? I have 7 items out of 8 items. So I have 7 over 8. 7 yellow out of 8 items. How many ice cream in the set? I have 4 ice cream. Number of pink item or pink ice cream. I have only 1 pink ice cream. The fraction of the pink ice cream in the set, it's 1 pink out of 4. So it's fourth or quarter. The fraction of the green, I have 3 green ice cream out of 4. 3 ice cream out of 4. So 3 over 4. Fractions story problems. May bought 8 presents for her family. One of them was big than the rest were small. What is the fraction of the set of the biggest present? First, how many presents I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the fraction of the big present is 1 out of 8. 1 out of 8, it's 8. Ahmed had 5 balloons. Find how many objects in this set. First, he has 5 balloons. The fraction that represents the blue balloons in the set. He wants the blue balloons, the fraction of the blue balloons. It's 1 balloon out of 5 balloons. So it's 1 over 5 or fifth. The fraction that represents the pink. The fraction that represents the pink. I have 1 pink out of 5 balloons. So 1 over 5 or fifths. This is the evaluation exercise. Please solve it, then check your answer with me. Ali cut some flowers from his garden. Find how many flowers in the set. He has 4 flowers. The fraction that represents the purple flower, it's 1 out of 4, so it's fourths. We finished lesson 75. We know how to estimating, weigh, and determine the fraction out of set. This is the key word that will help you in lesson 76. Thank you.